Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang 6th generation between year 2015 and year 2023. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the heated mirrors is located, stay with us. We'll cover that in this video today. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. Specifically, we will demonstrate on 2018 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT V8, but even if you have a different engine such as a 2.3 4-cylinder EcoBoost, it should work as well, guys. Which fuse we need to check? Let's explain now. Watch now. We're not even supporting our hood. We installed the hood lift system. If you want to see how to do that, guys, complete video will be on our channel, but makes it really convenient where you don't have to support that heavy hood. You can see the fuse box is right here on the left side of the engine bay. We're going to press right here, pull up, lift it. On the back side we have the fuse numbers and the layout to what corresponds practically right here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse we need to check now, guys, specifically? If you need to buy replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get ours from. We'll be working in that fuse block right there. Okay, we're talking about that segment over here. And the fuse that we need will be fuse number 70. This is known as 7070, and it's the first fuse on the right side in that row. Okay, that 10 amp fuse. So that's the fuse right there, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.